So here's a fun game called Shape Factory. So if I click play, it says, "Welcome to Shape Factory. We have been having some problems identifying shapes in our products. Because of this, we've been losing customers and the factory may need to be closed down. Apparently, I have been making a lot of mistakes on the job. We need your help. We're going to hire you to get this factory back into shape. This is your work area. When products pass by that don't belong, select them and put them in the proper bin. If you do well, you'll earn more money and the factory will gain a higher star rating." So before you get to work in the shape factory, you have to prove to the foreman here that you know your shapes. And this can be difficult. It says select the shape with one edge. So I look at all these shapes. Which is the one that has one edge? Not that one. So if I get the wrong one, I get to keep going. There's a few I can miss. Select the shape with no corners. Okay, so that has no corners. It says move on to the next question. Select the shape with 12 edges. So I'm going to go over here, and I think there's one more. Did that. There's a rectangular and a prism and a cube. Select the shape with 8 lines of symmetry. So I know an octagon has 8 corners. Let's try that one. It says well done. Let's move on to the next question. Select the shape with 6 faces. So I think the shape with 6 faces is the cube and also the rectangular prism. It says great work. I'm happy to have your help in this factory. So I actually get to work in the factory now. Now watch how this works. It's a kind of a fast-paced game. I'm not going to make this an overly long video. I'm just going to show you a few examples. So I click this down arrow. It says it's your first day. Don't let us down. We're starting you off with 2D and 3D shapes and 1 conveyor belt. And as you progress through the game, you can get more than 1 conveyor belt. So here it comes. So it says remove rectangles and place in bin B. So this is a rectangle shape. Click. Click. Oh, that's more of a square. This is a rectangle. So that one goes in A. Click. A. Click here. It says put that one in B. This one goes in B. And I missed a couple. That's why you heard that sound. And so there's various stages to each round. Now it says remove hexagon and place in bin A. So there are hexagons on these eyeglasses. So I'm going to put them in A. Oh, sorry, that's a pentagon. I was like, what? So this goes in A. I'm looking at hexagons. These are confusing because typically we see these as octagons. Hexagon in bin B. Hexagon in bin B. And that's not a hexagon, so I let that one pass. So I'm always looking down here at the message. That's how I know whether or not to put it in bin A or bin B. I've made $10 so far. So now it says remove the cone and place in bin B. So here's a cone. I click on it, and I just click on bin B. There's another cone, bin A, and I just watch the message. Here's a cone, bin B. And it gets much faster as you progress through the rounds, eventually, where there are 2 conveyor belts. I'll do one more for you. And this is just sort of doing this over and over again. And in between rounds, you have to identify more faces and edges. Rectangular prism in B. So those are cubes. Here's another one in A. Another one, and that one goes in B. So it's identifying shapes and also following directions. So anyway, this is how you get started with Shape Factory. If you ever want to stop or pause the game, you just click this question mark. I'm going to click quit here. And so I hope you have fun with that.